Hello and welcome back to this edition of Daily Actives brought to you by Bootleg Macro. I'm Dustin. We are looking at NIO once again, and I actually kind of like what I see here. If you can tell from the chart that we've had a major run up into NIO. If you look at the price here in column K, one of the things that's super interesting to me is that we've gone from it being with the red lettering with the white background, meant that it was 3 standard deviations above the mean, to green background with black lettering, which means that it is within the standard distribution. Now, the price is not necessarily above its 20-day. It's not above its 5-day moving average, but the 5-day moving average is still above the 20-day moving average, and the 20-day moving average is still below the price. So we do see some bullish setup here. The one thing that I do find to be very fascinating is that as the prices kind of started to go sideways or at least down a little bit, we don't get a big push in volume. That is good to see. Now, we do have a price to fall ever since 8.7. We are negative rolling return on the 1-day and the 5-day. We're still positive on the 15-day, the 1 month, the 3 month, and the 6 month. Very good to see. We look at the signals we still have on the short term, a go long, intermediate term go long, and the longer term go long. We're still bullish on the short term, intermediate term, and longer term. Also great to see. We can see here on the rolling sentiment, we're just a little overextended. We're up at 63% on the 2-day. I mean, even on the 10-day, we're at 54%. I'd like to see that get down below 50, maybe in the high 40s, maybe even in the low 40s. That'd be a really good setup. We're going to look at the overall trade ranges that we have. The trade ranges are absolutely fine right now. It doesn't really or the trading signals are absolutely fine right now. It doesn't look like there's really a big issue at all. We could see some positive return here inside of NIO. Just got to give it some time. I think the next big thing is that the daily sentiment just has to reset. We've essentially been coming up off of the bottom here since it looks like May or even March. We just need to come back down to around 50% so it can reset and go higher. It's nice that the volume, again, is not completely reloading as the price is falling. The volatility is going to come down. I bet you what will happen is the volatility is going to roll over like it does in the past, and then this correlation will roll over, and then the price will go sideways to up just very slightly. It is good to see that the volatility correlation is now below the 15-day moving average, which is the red line. So I kind of like what I see here. Now, it does need some time to kind of digest this humongous move. You can see the size of the trade range is all the way up to $17.51, all the way down to $7.90. You're going to need to see this come up. You're going to need to see this come down. If you got into a nice consolidation range like this again, somewhere around this price, that'd be fantastic. But tell me what you think in the comments below. Are you long? Are you short? Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this even a good review? Before you go, subscribe to the New High newsletter. We give you 25 stocks to your inbox every single Sunday. Go get yourself some. I'll talk to you soon.